Pimps here, White Label Consulting. My ISO's a little too high. Actually, not my ISO, maybe my f-stop. Let me adjust my f-stop here real quick. Sorry. All right, it's a little bright. I don't like it being that bright. And I would take this out of the edit, but I don't feel like doing that. There we go. 118. It looks a little bit more natural. Yeah, I look a little less burnt out. I'm not taking that out the edit. I'm trying to get into the habit of recording everything I need to record in one take. Obviously, I can't guarantee that all the time, but it is what it is. So this, let me see here. What do I got here? Marketing. What's in this thing? I don't know. Hold on, let me see here. Media. All right, I don't know. Oh, here it goes. Oh yeah, brought to you by Custom. You can't hear the commercial, but yeah. I'm probably not gonna edit this video at all. I'm trying to get to the place of putting out content supercharged. Like I'm going into a new frame of life. Like I'm just out here just getting it in. So yeah, Custom is the brand. Use the code Custom KUSTTOM at checkout and you will get 20% off now. So back to the live broadcast. So yeah, I think we're not using AI to its fullest potential, right? I mean, there's a couple of different ways that you can use AI for your live stream. One way that I think a lot of people can use it for assets, as far as trying to, get everybody to have nice graphics or, have different things that will enhance your live stream. Another way that you can use it is maybe for skinning your podcast. You can have different scenario as far as the different color schemes and all these different types of things. So I don't know if we're using AI to its best potential. I think that to a certain degree, we're not realizing exactly how good AI could be for what we're doing. And I think we kind of miss the mark sometimes. It's just me. I think that there's a way that you can use AI, right, to allow yourself to be able to benefit from AI to help your live stream broadcast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a couple of things that you can do to actually help improve your live stream using AI, right? And also maybe help build up your scheduling as far as how you actually produce content, right? Now, some people will use ChatGPT, some people will use Bard, some people will use AI as far as other services. A lot of people are just using what comes natural to them. One way that you can use AI is actually to produce your shorts. I have a membership to Opus Clips. This is not sponsored, but hey, I use Opus Clips to actually sit in front of the camera, right? And I will take a raw take, unedited, right? And I will just talk for, just a matter of minutes, right? And I will actually just give my thoughts. And when I give my thoughts, I upload that video to YouTube unlisted. The reason I upload it unlisted is so that I can put that link back into Opus Pro or Opus Clips or any AI that you want to use, right? And then I allow that to make some shorts for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up my channel here. I'm going to go to, let me see here, content. Let me pull up Studio real quick. So in my YouTube Studio, I am going to, let me switch the screen over to split screen here. Here we go. So in my YouTube screen, right, I'm going to go to my content and I'm going to go to my videos. And as you see here, I have an unlisted clip. And when you click on this clip, I'm going to hit M so you don't hear it. It has no description. What I do is I take this link right here and I put it into Opus, right? So once I put it into Opus, what it does is it allows me to give the video link and it just produces clips for me. So what I'm doing is I'm allowing AI to give me some content. Now with the new Opus, you can actually choose the amount of the length of your clip, 30, 60, 90, whatever, but it gives me a title, it gives me a description, and this is not a promotion or commercial for Opus. You can use whatever shorts you want to use to do this, but this helps produce your content for your live stream. So you can actually, get people to go to your live stream. So what I did is I just uploaded that video. It's a 7-minute video, right? And it actually has, 5 shorts, and it gives it a ranking score and different things and a hook and a trend. And so that would help my live stream if I put a live stream clip in there. If I go back to one of my lives, right? I click on my lives and I can click on this and I can copy it and throw it in here. So that's one way you can use AI to help you actually help your live streams. Another way that you can help your live streams is using image software or using this to do video clips. Here I have a flyer to make, turkey bowl, and I would, I can go into this clip right here and use this as a graphic in my live stream, but I can also now in most image generators is click on image to motion, and it could generate a motion graphic, right? So you can put your logo here, upload it, use it and make a graphic with it and put your logo here and possibly make your stinger, right? Now, that takes a little bit more practice. I know you can use Bing Image Creator for that, and there's a whole bunch of different things that you can do. But once it goes into the idea of producing some motion video clips or even stock video clips, I think you can use that when you're going through your broadcast and through your just whatever you're putting out as far as your content on YouTube, Facebook, whatever. I'm gonna wait for this to finish. So after you put the video in, right, once you generate the image, now I actually have, right, a motion graphic here, and this doesn't look, super duper, impressive. But if I needed a motion video for my live stream, this is what it does. I just put a graphic in there, and it made a little motion. That, again, this isn't super duper. It's not a great video like I would make as far as exactly how I want it. But if I just needed some quick stingers and stuff like that, some intros and stuff like that, this is more than enough to help improve my live stream and get some video content that I know is mine. If I go to the front page of Leonardo, and I can go back here, let me go back here to the front, and I go down to, they have a motion gallery here. You can see some of the things that people have made within Leonardo, and other image creators have it. You can see when you mouse over, it just creates some different video images right here. Like if I click on this, that's a nice little cool video that would take me a little bit more time to generate. Right here is a motion of a lightning that it's not moving. Why is it not moving? Okay, there it goes. So yeah, that'd be a nice little intro to have. So you can use AI images to actually improve some of the content quality and actually get some nice things in here. I mean, these, like this right here, is a great 3D motion of just a suitcase, right? So if you were wanted to create some stock footage, I'm sure there's some other things in here, but these are just samples, right? Here's a good Christmas, Christmas is coming up. That's a great stock video that you can have, and you don't necessarily need an account to motion blocks or something like that, right? So the last way that you can use AI to improve your live stream is to actually have it review some of your old content. I got a video pulled up here, and I'm just going to copy the link, right? I'm going to hit copy here, and I'm going to go to my AI. I happen to use Gemini. Again, it's not sponsorship or anything. I'm just trying to get you how to do it. And I'm going to hit review this video, right? So I'm going to paste this video in here, and it's going to give me this link right here, right? And it's going to say a very short preview or review of the video. And I'll zoom in here. It says the video is a tutorial on how to get clean camera settings in a Lumix GH7. The YouTuber, that happens to be me, explains that the Lumix G7 is an older camera, built-in high quality, still produces high images, and it goes on there. But then I add the prompt, critique the video. Give me a critique of the video. Here it goes. The video, right, is a tutorial on how to get clean camera. Any YouTube like Wing explains Jimmy. Here are some specific video that I like. Now this is AI, so this is not going to be something that you may fully agree with, but it's AI. Videos well-paced, informative. The YouTuber is knowledgeable and passionate. The video is easy to follow. Here's some specific video I didn't like. The video's a bit long. I think it's too long. YouTuber's voice can be a bit more monotone, so it doesn't like my animated voice, right? And the video could use more visuals. So overall, I think it's a good resource for anyone wanting to learn the clean camera settings. So you can actually use AI to help you improve your video by just giving it a quick critique. Okay, it's a bit long. The video is 11 minutes. Could I cut that down in my presentation? Probably so. I was just showing people how to get a good clean image, so it could a bit more monotone. That's a preference. I probably am not going to change my delivery, so that's just what it is. Video could use more visuals. Absolutely, I could use more visuals. That's a great something I can use to move forward in my next video. So it says it's a good resource for anyone who wants to learn how to get clean camera settings. Now, another thing I could do is, could you suggest some keywords for the video and a possible video description after watching the video? And let me see what it gives me, right? Suggested keywords: Lumix G7, clean camera settings, photography, digital DSLR, which I didn't use, video post-processing. I didn't use any of these keywords. I just used OBS and live streaming or something, right? Video description. So it gives me a sample video description that I can combine with the video description that I came with, and to make it a little bit more searchable on the internet, as well as sound a little bit more professional. So it gives you a review of the video, what I actually did, right? And things I didn't list in the video description, right? And then it tells you where you can insert your relevant tags. So that's a way that you can use AI to improve your video, is one, by using Opus clip to upload an unlisted video and send it here and let it produce some shorts or some videos for you that you may be able to upload. Two, you can use an image generator to get you some better images and some stock video. And then the third way is actually use it to critique your video and help you get some more points. Now, if you use those three things to help your live stream and your product, I think it will help you get more consistent, right, in putting out the kind of content that you want your audience to actually watch. And also will help you learn a little bit more about the subject that you're talking about. AI is not 100% perfect, but I think that in this tutorial that you should be able to use AI to help you improve your content. This is Michael Williams. I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. God bless, and see you on the next go around. Later.